Good morning, friends. We are from Loofal Protech solution. We are giving solutions for lightning and surge protection for Weighbridges. So what you can see, आप क्या देख रहे हो, ये Weighbridge है. So this is Weighbridge, and you can see the site. So the site is actually in the interior area, and Weighbridges, the load cells basically, they get damaged due to lightning. So these are load cells. So this particular Weighbridge is having 6 load cells. This is digital. This is digital Weighbridge having 6 numbers of load cells, and it's getting frequently failed whenever lightning occurs. So we are here to give solution for complete solution for Weighbridge. So you can see these are surge protection device for load cells, and it has to be connected near the load cell. So you can see a surge protection device connected in series to the load cell to protect it from lightning and switching surges. So coming inside, so this is what we are giving solution for load cells. And again, for the power line or the UPSs through which supply is given, we need to install surge protection device to take care of power line. So this is load cells Weighbridge control room. This device is known as digitizer. This is the monitor. Here is the CPU, and this is the device RS-232 communications for surge protector for RS-232 communications. This is the junction box here. So this is how to protect a Weighbridge. We need to install 3 types of SPDs. Number 1 in load cells, number 2 for power line, and number 3 for communication circuit. So this is what. And one thing you need to take care, earthing is very important. So for such protection devices, so you need to take utmost care so that a proper earthing is maintained, and that should be below 10 ohm. And however, the lesser value, the better. So any queries regarding Weighbridges, please connect us for technical support, installation, testing and commissioning. Thank you.